Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1997 to 2003 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove or lift your bed out of the way. Remove your bed mount's bolt. Cut off the factory front bed mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement front bed mount and hold it up to the silhouette where the factory bed mount was originally located. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your front bed mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend a Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall your bed mount's bolt and bushing. Then you're done.